temperatures warming up, I hope their business will be going up as well. Great cause. Thanks, guys, for doing that. Outside today, beautiful day. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Lots of sunshine across the area. Still a mainly clear sky in West Knoxville right now. This is the TIS Insurance Services building, and it should be pretty quiet as we go through the night tonight. It'll be cool once again, not near record levels like we had this morning. In fact, we broke a record. 43 is what we got down to. The old record was 44, so back in 1979. A few more clouds across the area tomorrow. Can rule out a few sprinkles, but most areas will be dry, but some isolated storms will be returning before we get through with the holiday weekend, which I'll talk about in a minute. 64, partly cloudy right now. Calm wind will be near 50 first thing tomorrow morning. So again, a little warmer, but still below where we should be. 59 is the average low. 80 is the average high. So we're getting a little bit closer to that as we get into tomorrow afternoon with just a few clouds around. We've cooled to 58 in Middlesboro, 59 Monticello, down to 53 already in Crossville, 58 in the Tri-Cities, 59 right now in Newport, 60 in Gatlinburg and the Sevierville area. Pretty nice. Again, we'll see these temperatures come down, upper 40s, right around 50 down through the valley, but there'll be some pockets of some mid 40s across the region, like the Plateau and the higher elevations of the Smokies. Now, what we have is this big dome of high pressure and control almost right over the top of us. We get clockwise wind flow around this in the northern hemisphere, and it's kind of taking these cool, dry winds and pushing them right down through the valley. That's why we saw temperatures a little cooler today, and with under high pressure and control, you have sinking air, and it's a little harder for clouds to form. What will happen tomorrow is this area of high pressure slides off to the east, and this front kind of lifts back over the north of us. It's called a warm front, so everything to the south of it will be warmer, everything to the north of it's a little cooler, and it almost sets up shop right over Knoxville. In fact, notice high temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 70s through Knoxville, 80s down to the south. But to the north of this warm front, temperatures will stay much cooler, low to mid 70s across the area. And we're also going to see some cloud cover as well as we go through the day. So more sunshine, warmer temperatures to the south and west, a little bit more in the way of cloud cover off towards the north and east. Plus, can't rule out a sprinkle or light shower as well. We're taking this warmer air, moving it up over the cooler air and kind of wringing out just a little bit of moisture across the area. Not much, not enough to cancel the outdoor plans. But just keep in mind, you may see a passing sprinkle or shower, mainly to our north and east, so southwest Virginia, southeast Kentucky, and northeast Tennessee. But I think the sprinkles will be few and far between across the area. Nice to get out and enjoy. About 20% coverage across portions of southeast Kentucky, around 71 degrees. By no means will it be a washout across the area. Looks like the Smokies, 10% coverage, and that's mainly, say, the northern part of the Smoky Mountains. The southern tier should be just fine, and 71 for a high tomorrow. Plateau keeping you dry, 78 for a high temperature there, so it should be a little warmer, and much the same here in the valley. Temperatures start near 50 and warm into the upper 70s. Does get a little bit warmer as we head into Memorial Day. Slight chance of a pop-up shower or rumble of thunder, much the same Tuesday. But I tell you what, we dry out and warm up from midweek on, and we get temperatures above average. We're talking mid to upper 80s for highs Wednesday through next Saturday.
All right, thanks, Ken.